r is the radius of the earth and acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is pi square meter per second square. Then the length of the seconds pendulum at a height h equals to 2r from the surface of the earth will be. The given pendulum is seconds pendulum. The time taken by the seconds pendulum to complete one oscillation is equals to 2 seconds. Here this pendulum is placed at a height 2r from the surface of the earth. So G value changes at the given height. We have to find out the length of the simple pendulum at the given height. First find out the G value at the given height. GH equals to G by 1 plus H by R whole square. This is the formula to calculate the G value. G by 1 plus given height is 2r from the surface of the earth. 2r by r whole square. Here r get cancelled. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 whole square equals to 9. G by 9. The formula to calculate the time period of seconds pendulum. T is equals to 2 pi square root of L by G. From this, T square is equals to 4 pi square into L by GH. Length of the simple pendulum is equals to GH into T square by 4 pi square. GH equals to G by 9. G by 9 into T value 2 seconds. 2 square becomes to 4. Into 4. 4 get cancelled. Even G value is pi square. So pi square get cancelled. Length of the seconds pendulum is equals to 1 by 9 meters. Fourth option is correct.